let's tackle them headlights and see how we get on. Welcome back, guys. Hope you're okay. Day 2, headlight restoration. Hope you guys enjoy this. This is really useful for everyone, you know. If you want to do it yourself, really easy, DIY really. You just, you know, a few tools and a bit of hard graft, and yeah, save a lot of money doing this. So let's crack straight on and start this process of restoring this BMW. See you in a bit. Obviously, I think in the video it's going to be a bit back to front because I'll time lapse this side as I've already done this side, but I wanted to show you guys first. What I'll do once this is dried is then I'll flat it back and then polish it out, and it will look as good as new. I think you can agree. Much better now. So yeah, so that's the first job done, and I'll catch you guys in a minute when I've done both sides, and yeah, we'll continue on with the restoration. So that's 400 grit done. What we'll do now is we'll go on to 800. Let's do it. Right, so 800's done. I'm just going to spray it down with some panel wipe, clean it up, and then yeah, we'll go into the lacquer. We'll do a few small coats first, and then yeah, sort of lay on a last coat and then leave that to dry overnight. I would say all of this whole process, if this was on your car, mask it up. Obviously I don't mind particularly on this, apart from the lacquer, because the whole thing is going to get painted anyway, bumper and wings, so it's not too much of an issue. But yeah, make sure you do mask up and make sure you're careful, because you don't particularly want to, you know, ruin your nice paintwork. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, so I've laid it on slightly too thick. It hasn't run yet, but it's gone cloudy. That is totally normal, don't panic. Happens on some lacquers. So yeah, so I'm just going to give it a quick dry with the hairdryer, heat gun, whatever you want to use. Let that set, and then obviously we'll come back to that. So there you go guys, headlights done. We'll come back to them tomorrow, part 2. But yeah, I mean, this is a job that anyone can do. You know, these, you know, especially newer headlights, they're hundreds and hundreds of pounds each. So yeah, give it a go. You know, start with 400, work your way up to 1,000, 1,200, and then lacquer. And then yeah, then obviously just polish back with some Meg's Ultimate Compound or something. But yeah, easy to do, and don't waste your money. I mean, you can get 98%, 99% results, you know, without spending all that money. So definitely worth it. So there you go guys, that's the headlights done. So let's crack on with a wash and see what we're up against. They look so much better, don't they? So there you go guys, wow, what a difference, eh? The headlights looking so much better. and yeah, of course the damage. I think it's going to be quite a challenge really. I'm not quite sure whether to replace the bumper or not, but we'll see. Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe as always, and give us a comment if you've got any questions. I'll catch you in the next one.